Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekker Reviews, and in today's video we have the Oral-B Genius 8000. Now if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Genius 8000 is Oral-B's electric toothbrush, which comes with 5 different cleaning modes, including whitening and gum care, amongst others as well. The toothbrush has a lithium-ion battery, which lasts for roughly around 2 weeks when fully charged. Oral-B also claim that the toothbrush can provide 100% more plaque removal and 100% more coverage, thanks to its position detection. The Genius is also smart enough to know when you apply too much pressure while brushing your teeth, and turns the LED light red to let the user know. By default, the toothbrush has a 2-minute timer and lets you know when to move in between your upper and lower teeth. However, what really sets this aside from other toothbrushes on the market is the Bluetooth connectivity, which interacts with the Oral-B application. Now, I know that sounds completely nuts, but I'll show you what I mean later on throughout the video. Now, just a quick breakdown on the product. On top, you have the power button, as well as an LED ring which turns blue when powered on. Finally, you also get a function button available to help you cycle through the different modes available. In terms of packaging, on the front, you have the Oral-B logo, as well as an image and information on the device. On the side, you have some product features highlighted. And finally, on the back, you get some further information on the Oral-B app. Inside the box, you get the Genius 8000, as well as 3 toothbrush heads, 1 charging station, 1 travel case, 1 phone holder, and finally information on the Genius 8000. Connecting the toothbrush to the Oral-B application via Bluetooth is pretty straightforward. Once downloaded from the Google Play or Apple App Store, load the Oral-B app and then press the power button on the toothbrush. Your toothbrush should then be located. Select the toothbrush and then enter your details, create your account, and you should be good to go from here. Now, the Oral-B application is pretty simple to use. Once the app is loaded, you are then presented with the home page, which gives you information on your last brush, dental care journey, and reminder to change your brush head. The history section gives you an average score of your last previous brushes, as well as a timeline of events. The challenge tab just shows you a list of medals that you've won. And finally, when selecting the More tab, you can find additional information such as notification settings and application version. Overall, if you're looking for a premium toothbrush, and want to start taking your oral hygiene seriously, then the Oral-B Genius 8000 is a device you should definitely look into. The 5 different brushing modes alongside the application connectivity is super handy in comparison to other brands on the market. It's definitely on the higher end in terms of pricing, and I highly suggest you guys take a seat before hearing the price. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Oral-B Genius 8000 from Amazon for around £280, which in my opinion is a crazy amount to spend on a toothbrush. However, Oral-B tend to have amazing sales on their toothbrushes, especially during the holiday time, and it's currently on sale at Amazon for around £100. If you're interested in purchasing the Genius 8000, then you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. Would you spend loads on a toothbrush? And is the Oral-B Genius 8000 a device that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.